I am Mr. Sandeep Dattatreya Kordile, M.Pharm Pharmaceutics, working as a lecturer in Mola Rural Institute of Pharmacy, Sonai, and I am giving presentation on Narcotics, Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985, Part 1st. Contents of presentation: Introduction to the Act, then Object, then Definitions, illicit traffic, officers of the central government. First of all, introduction. Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985, as it is known popularly, is meant to face a very important social problem, that is drug trafficking, means deal or trade. This is also one of the special acts that has come before the courts very frequently and having a large number of conflicting judgments, confusing the general public. Evaluation of law. The Opium Act of 1857 was revised first in 1878. In 1950, the Opium Act of 1878 was revised as the Opium and Revenue Laws Act 1950. On 16th September 1985, the above mentioned acts were repealed, that is called off, and Act 61 of NDPSA 1985 was enforced. An object or legislative intent of this act to consolidate, that is bind together, and amend means to change the law relating to narcotic drugs, to make stringent means strict or firm provision for the control and regulation of operations relating to narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances, and for matters connected therewith. And some important definition of this chapter. Firstly, addict. Addict means a person who has dependence or who is habitual to a regular use on of any narcotic drug or psychotropic substance. Second, cannabis or hemp. It includes following: A. Charas, that is the separated resin, whether crude or purified, obtained from the cannabis plant, and also includes concentrated preparation and resin known as hashish oil or liquid hashish. B. Ganja, that is the flowering or fruiting tops of the cannabis plant, excluding the seeds and leaves when not accompanied by the tops. C. Any mixture with or without any neutral material of ganja or charas, or any drink prepared from there. So this is the picture of the ganja. Then coca derivative. Crude cocaine, that is any extract of coca leaf which can be used directly or indirectly for the manufacture of cocaine. Then agonine and all its derivatives from which it can be recovered. Cocaine, that is methyl ester of benzoyl agonine and its salts, and all preparations containing more than 0.1% of cocaine are called as a coca derivative. So this is the figure. Then coca leaf means the leaf of the coca erythroxylum plant, except of a leaf from which all agonine, cocaine and any other agonine alkaloids have been removed. B. Any mixture thereof with or without any neutral material, but does not include any preparation containing less than 0.1% of cocaine. Then number 5, manufacture. Manufacture in relation to narcotic drugs or psychotropic substances includes: first, all processes other than production by which such a drug or substances may be obtained. Second, refining or transformation of such drugs or substances. Third, making of preparation otherwise than in pharmacy or on prescription containing such substances. Manufactured drug means all coca derivatives, medicinal cannabis, opium derivatives, and poppy straw concentrate. B. Any other narcotic substance or preparation which the central government may, having regard to the available information as to its nature or to a decision, if any, under any international convention, by notification in the official gazette, declared to be a manufactured drug. And medicinal cannabis or medicinal hemp, it means any extract or tincture of cannabis. So number 8, narcotic drug, it means coca leaf, cannabis or hemp, opium, poppy straw, and includes all manufactured drugs. And opium, it means the coagulated juice of the opium poppy and any mixture with or without any neutral material, excluding preparation containing less than 0.2% of morphine. Then opium derivative, it means medicinal opium or prepared opium or phenanthrene alkaloids, namely morphine, codeine, thebaine and their salt, or diacetylmorphine, heroin and its salts, and all preparations containing more than 0.2% of morphine or containing any diacetylmorphine. So this is the diagram of opium or clear cut picture showing opium. Then opium poppy, it means the plant of the species Papaver somniferum L and the plant of any other species of Papaver from which opium or any phenanthrene alkaloid can be extracted, and which the central government may, by notification in the official gazette, declare to be opium poppy for the purposes of the act. Then poppy straw. Poppy straw means all parts except the seeds of the opium poppy after harvesting, whether in their original form or cut, crushed or powdered, and whether or not juice has been extracted therefrom. Psychotropic substance means any substance, natural or synthetic, or any salt or preparation of such a substance or material included in the list of psychotropic substances specified in the schedule 1. After that, next point, illicit traffic or prevention of illicit traffic in narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances. First, cultivating any coca plant or gathering any portion of coca plant. Second, cultivating the opium poppy or any cannabis plant. Third, engaging in the production, manufacture, possession, sell, purchase, transportation, warehousing, concealment, hiding, use of the consumption, interstate import, interstate export, import into India, export from India, or transshipment of narcotic drugs or psychotropic substances. It is called as illicit traffic. Also, dealing in narcotic drugs or psychotropic substances, handling or letting any premises for use for any of the purpose referred in point 1 to 4, financing any activity by himself or through any of the person in the furtherance or in support of doing any of the aforesaid acts, harboring, that is give shelter to persons engaged in any of the above said activities, 8. Abetting, encourage or assist or conspiring, that is planning secretly in the furtherance or in the support of doing any of the aforesaid acts except to the extent permitted under the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985, or any rule or order made or any condition of any license, permit or authorization issued thereunder. So this was the meaning and detailed definition of illicit traffic. After that, next point, that is officers of central government. So first, most important officer, that is Narcotics Commissioner. Under the provision of this act, the central government may appoint Narcotic Commissioner and such other officer as it thinks fit. Narcotic Commissioner himself or with the help of other officers shall perform the functions relating to: first, supervision of the cultivation of opium poppy; second, production of opium; and third, other functions as may be entrusted to him by the central government. The state government may appoint such officers as deemed fit for the purposes of this act. Lastly, thank you.